The following video will show you how to use the micro-chamber thermal extractor calibration tools. The calibration tools come as part of a kit containing 4 PTFE sample blocks with 3 wells, 4 inert coated blanking screws, and 1 tool lifting handle. In addition to the kit, you will need a cross-head screwdriver, a syringe, a standard mix solution, thermal desorption tubes, and a high-temperature micro-chamber thermal extractor. The calibration tools should be cleaned shortly before use. A recommended procedure can be found in the Instruction for Use. Remove each chamber pot from the micro-chamber to place the PTFE block within. Insert blanking screws into the middle hole of each sample block and tighten using a crosshead screwdriver. Place the chambers back in the micro-chamber and close the lids ready for conditioning. Once conditioned and properly cooled, micro-chamber parameters should be set to the same conditions intended for subsequent samples. Add a sorbent tube to each of the micro-chamber outlets. A desired amount of neat standard mix or standard insolvent should then be introduced into the sample block wells, such as 1 to 10 microlitres. The lid of each chamber should be immediately closed after injection before moving on to the next chamber. After sampling, remove the tubes and cap with either long-term storage caps for storage and transportation or diff lock caps for analysis. Once cooled, remove the blanking screws. Insert the tool lifting handle. Gently pull out each block and clean before storage or reuse. For more information, visit marks.com.